classy.
Tachi, where you going?
It's Henrik and I got a 20. Where are you going? Are you gonna be 70? No, I'm gonna be 30. And I got dogs that pick up the phone. Can you call Big Lil Show and give him more or so whatever. Looks like it's a blame. Gonna be the self on the lane. We're gonna bake some space cake. Drink the syrup, looks like a rose. And I'm gonna bust like the world of Warcraft lost. I'm not bored, still I need dough. And carry me non-stop in soul, so I can call. And often from the market, fill the jacket with guns and alarms. And cans for the show, whoa, whoa. I'm terrified for the crucified. And find me in a lamp and start a camp. We ain't got money but still we millionaires. So fill the jacket and buy a jumbo jet. So let's blaze, oh my god, I wanna chase. Henrik is getting kinda heavy. Call Lenny to buy some beer and a souvenir. I'm not gonna drink a tank and run the bank full of unfucked a skank. So let's be ready, and there you are, Henrik, a beer. I'm not gonna be 65, so high five. I'm not bored, still I need dough. Lemmy is getting kinda heavy, he got the 20 on the sanity of serenity and sanity. And Xanax for the round of the Xanax boys on the jumbo jet who runs. So buy a beer on the jumbo jet too, so we can get the lost of you and have a dope suit. So buy me a beer and get on the studio and get some more of this good stuff going, and we blowing and we shoving on the beat.